Hey, welcome you to our first series of Basics of IPR. Today, in our fourth lecture, we'll be discussing regarding copyrights. Let's see the topics we'll be discussing today. First, we'll be looking into the definition of copyright. What does a copyright protect? The categories. Why does your category actually need copyright protection? What to do if non-copyrighted content is misused? How to secure your creativity, and what are the points that you need to remember. So let's begin. What is copyright? Basically, it is an exclusive legal right which is given to the originator, that means the creator, for a fixed number of years for his creativity to print it, publish it, perform it, make it a movie or record it. So, what does copyright protect? It protects any creativity, artistic work. Let's see what creativity can be included. Copyright protects things like paintings, literature work, photographs, songs, videos, softwares, choreography like dance moves, scripts and drama. So the next question is, why does my creativity require legal protection? You can think for a while. You may have questions like, it is my creativity, I uploaded it, I have my signature over it, my watermark over it, so why a legal protection like copyright? Let's understand it with an example. Take a day-to-day life scenario. Suppose it's a beautiful day wherever you live. You take your camera, click few pictures. You come back home, edit it and upload it. Your fans, admirers on the social media sites will like, share and comment. But that is not all, right? In all the visitors, all should not be good or all will not be good. There is a bad visitor on your site or maybe on your page, and by looking at your creative work, he or she gets a cunning idea. What he does is, he'll go, take your best picture, sell it to a big person who requires your creativity and earn money out of it. So then what will you do? Cry about it? Take a big giant hammer, run behind the person to hit him? Or maybe take a baseball bat to hit that person or file an FIR. Basically, you can do nothing because you do not have any evidence that the work is yours. Because uploading it on your Facebook or Twitter account or Insta account doesn't give you the right on the content. There is no proof that it was first created by you. So what now? Don't be sad about it. Don't go. Let me explain. So here is what you should have actually done. After clicking the pictures or maybe doing any creativity, instead of directly uploading, obtain copyright of it. How to obtain copyright we'll be learning in our upcoming lectures, but this is what is the basic thing that you need to do. And once you have copyright on it, your creativity is safe. Now you can stop anyone from misusing it and use it freely for yourself. So what are the points that we need to remember? One is, do not share your creativity without copyright. Second, copyright can be for any artistic work. Be it dance, photography, painting, anything can be copyrighted, which is your creativity. There is a lifespan decided for copyrights. Basically, it is 60 years even after the death of a creator. Like the example of Michael Jackson, right? He's still earning royalty out of it for his work even after death. And it is managed by a government agency. All the application applied for copyright can be viewed online. So, I hope with this lecture on copyright, you were able to understand better regarding how to protect your creativity and what all can be secured under copyright. If you still have any query, you can write to us in our comment section. Chat with us on our website www.mycrave.co.in. You can mail us on info@mycrave.co.in, or you can visit our Facebook page to know more. If you enjoyed the video, do like us. If you think it is worth sharing so that many artistic people can secure their ideas, do share our video. And if you want to know more regarding copyright or any other IPR law, do subscribe to our channel. So till we meet next time, beware and remember, use it before you lose it.